This Joyor model ER8 scooter is a fun, zippy, medium-range scooter with a top speed in our testing of about 20 to 22 miles per hour and about a 20 to 25 mile range with a 165-pound rider. It's spring shock in the stem with a front pneumatic tire, making traversing through the city more enjoyable, and with two hydraulic shocks and a solid core tire in the back, small bumps and curbs are handled with confidence. This scooter could be your go-to commuting scooter with the weight of almost 37 pounds and a folding locking handlebar that moves side to side after folding might have the average commuter looking for something a little lighter and something that can be pulled behind them like a piece of luggage. With this being said, there is a compromise, and I think this is something most can deal with. Check out this scooter at joyorstore.com and make sure you watch my in-depth review of the specifications. And as always, this is not a paid promotion. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video informative, please subscribe.